That was an animal passing by quickly. Phew! Look, it's over there. Kids, do you know what animal this is? Let's check it out.
The world is amazing!
Let's keep learning.
Smart tablet, activate!
Long neck, large body, graceful wings, slender legs. Ostrich. Ostriches are the largest birds on earth. They can run very fast, but they cannot fly.
It is an ostrich. It looks so giant. Of course. Ostriches are the largest birds on earth. Aw. An ostrich is nearly 3 meters tall, and it is almost as tall as 3 children. The ostrich has a long neck. It holds its head up high to see far away. If a predator approaches, it can spot it immediately.
I got it!
The ostrich has not only a long neck, but it also has long legs. You're right. The ostrich has extremely long legs, so it can run very fast. Oh, how fast can it run? Which of these do you think is the fastest? A. Horse. B. Ostrich. C. A sprint champion. That's right. You are right. This is a sprint champion. This is a horse. This is an ostrich. An ostrich can run really fast. It can even run faster than a horse. An ostrich has very long legs. Its single step could reach the length of 1 bus. Wow! Wow! 1 step equals to the bus length. Ostriches are fantastic!
Hey!
Besides, the ostrich's long legs also serve as powerful weapons. The ostrich kicks predators to protect its babies. Wow! Let's check it out. Quacky, what have you learned about the ostrich? Oh, ostriches are the largest birds on Earth. An ostrich can run very fast. An ostrich has strong legs that are powerful weapons. You're right. Which medal should the camel get? Medal for Master of Cold. Medal for Strong Warrior. Medal for Giant of Birds. Medal for Giant of Birds. Ostriches are the largest birds. They have long legs with great strength. The medal for Giant of Birds goes to the ostrich. Good job. Let's get some practice. Let's send the ostrich home. Ostrich. 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 An ostrich has a long neck. An ostrich has a pair of graceful wings. An ostrich has strong, long legs. An ostrich can fly. Is this correct? An ostrich cannot fly. An ostrich has a short neck. Is this correct? An ostrich has a long neck. It can hold its head up high to see far away. An ostrich has long legs. Is this correct? That's right! An ostrich has long legs and can run very fast.